Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your lot size on your MetaTrader 5. To do so, first of all, open up your MetaTrader 5, making sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure that, you just need to go onto your trades, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after that click on the plus button, which is on the top right corner of your screen. If you click on this, you can see that all options appear, and just below instant execution you can see an option for negative 0.5, negative 1, or negative 0.01, or positive 0.01 to 0.1 to 0.5. Now this is the lot size, and depending upon the size of your 100 account, which is $100 or $1,000 or even $10, you can change lot size according to you or whatever you want or what you wish to set it for. Now this is how you can change your lot size on your MetaTrader 5 on your Android. This is much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.